Alright, you ever smell gas when you're driving your Miata? Well, I did, and it was inconsistent. And for whatever reason, this pipe right here going to the fuel pressure regulator would just leak periodically. I don't know how that's possible, but it's leaking nice and good. And when I touched it, it started crumbling. So this line just goes from the hard line up from the tank, and it goes up and around the bottom of the fuel pressure regulator right there. Now this is an aftermarket one because we got a supercharger on here. We're gonna switch this out, and first thing you got to do is take the gas cap off so you don't fill up a whole gallon of gas like I did. So we'll do that next. That'll help a lot. So you want to just move this black canister out of the way. There's just a vacuum hose at the bottom we took off. This is a 5mm Allen, holding it onto this post. This will just give you nice access to replace that line, figure out the length. We got that bolt out. Now we can access the bottom of this. That back over there. This over here. So I just want to take off that outside line. You can see it's in horrible condition. This is going to be a little 1/4-inch socket for the hose clamp. I'll take that off next. I really just tried to pry this off and it's just crumbling in my hands. So we definitely found the issue here. That thing was so rotten. I had to cut it off. But it didn't damage the nipple, so we're good to go. It happens more so than I think, but I never usually check. I had some 5/16 fuel line sitting right on the shelf, so we're gonna match up the length, cut it to size. All right, we got the right size. This was longer. It was on there, and we transferred the clamp, so time to install it. All right, now we got all it cleaned out in there a little bit. We just gotta attach this 5mm bolt, which is right here. Right here. Put this canister back on. Hook up this vacuum line. Clean our air really quick, and we'll be back in business. But I'm gonna let it evaporate a little bit so we don't have a fireball under here. So it's all nice and dry in there now. Got our new line. All right, now last test. Fire it up. See if we got any leaks. Still running. Nice and dry. Think we fixed it, boys. Time to go for a rip. Oh, what do you think about this thing? You like it?